This video I show you how to earn PayPal money for just watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to make $100 per day for absolutely free. How to do it? We are about to find out. This is earn money from watching YouTube videos. So step number 1, I want you to go on the youtube.com and from there you can find different videos and I want you to click on any one of these videos. And step number 2, once you go into the video just like this, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video. And step number 3, you make money. All of these are real payment proof from people all around the world for all the videos they watch. Now here's exactly how much money you can earn from this. If you just watch one YouTube video, you can earn $3. When you are watching 10 YouTube videos, you earn $30. When you are watching 50 videos per day, you can even earn $150. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. And this is 100% legit, which is absolutely free. YouTube is actually available worldwide and you can watch it from anywhere in the world. And right now, all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer. And I'll show you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch. So don't forget, I have a little surprise bonus for you at the end of this video, which is an exclusive tip that can help you even earn 5 times more money by simply watching YouTube videos. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way till the end of this video. Now let's get started. The first thing that I want you to do is to click on the sign in button right on the top, and that's going to take you to this page. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you have to create a free YouTube account by just clicking on this button, create account, and choose for myself. And from there, you can literally create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you're logged in to your YouTube account, one thing you'll notice on the left section is you can see the best of YouTube from there. YouTube will show you the best performing, the best video categories such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news, fashion, and so on. Right in this video, I'll show you a secret strategy which nobody's talking about. So I want you to click on the gaming from there. You can choose fashion, sports, any one category of your choice, and that's going to take you to this page. Under the gaming section, there are literally millions of people watching these videos on YouTube, and they don't know how they could be making a lot of money, but I'll show the secret on how to do it. And that's exactly how all of these guys are making big money on YouTube. $5, $10, $11 over and over again for every single video they watch. So right now I'll give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on the popular category of the video like Among Us, Free Fire, Banana, any one of your choice, which is one of the most popular games that's trending right now. From there, you can click on Free Fire and that's going to take you to this particular page where you can find a lot of video games about Free Fire gameplays, and one of these live streaming videos is running right now. And all you have to do for the next step is to click on any one of these live videos. If I click on this one, that's going to take me to this page here. They are running a live stream, and as you can see, a lot of people are watching this video, and there are lots of demands and opportunities to make on this kind of video right on YouTube. So make sure you keep on watching and I'll show you exactly how you can make a lot of money from this kind of YouTube videos, and you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos right in this category. So the gold mine. In order for us to turn those YouTube videos into actual money, we actually have to go onto the second website, which is 7r6.com. And on this website, you have the opportunity to shorten URL links and turn them into actual money. Now don't worry, I'll make it really simple for you. It's actually much more easier than what you think. And there are no other people talking about this strategy right now. And you could be making a lot of money if you watch this video all the way until the end. So the concept here is really simple. You have to sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos. And I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment, and you could be making money every single video you watch. Now I'll show you one example and exactly how it works. If you're watching these YouTube videos, under here you can find the share button. Click on the share button and you will be able to find YouTube URL link of this particular gaming video, and from there I want you to click on the copy button. Copy the URL link of this YouTube video, and then all you have to do is to go back to this website 7r6.com and paste the link into this box. Now, as you can see here, I just put in the link of that YouTube video into this box and click on this little button. This website will automatically help me to convert and shorten a long YouTube URL link into a brand new unique link. So as you can see here, now every single time people click on this unique link, you are going to get paid. So that's exactly how all of these guys are able to make big money right here on this website every single day. Once you have earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payeer, and so on. So there are many different payment options available here for you. So for the first step that I want you to do is to go back to the home page, and I want you to click on the sign up button. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can register a brand new membership. And once again, this is 100% free and available worldwide. I want you to put in your username, your email, create your password, and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. And then click on the register button. After you sign up for a brand new account and when you log in, this is what you will see in your dashboard. From here, I want you to click on this button on the top, which is new shortened link. Click on that, and that's where we are going to copy and paste our YouTube URL links so we can shorten it and earn money. So right now, all we are going to do is just go back to our YouTube video, click on the share button, copy this URL link, and then go back to our dashboard and paste our link right here into this box. And under alias, I want you to type in Free Fire or whatever the name of the game is. And I want you to just click on the shorten button, and that is the shortened link. So step number 3 is I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 3 different videos. The more YouTube videos you copy and shorten the URL link, the more money you're going to make. So the next bonus tip that I want to share with you is that I want you to focus on this particular category because you are going to be making a lot of money. I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos. Now let's continue. I am going to click on this video, and that's going to take me to another live streaming video. From there, we are going to repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button, then click on the copy. After that, go to your 7R6 dashboard and paste the second URL link into the box. And then we are just going to put live Free Fire on the lies and click on shorten. That's the second link we successfully shortened. Remember what I told you, you just repeat the same strategy. You have to find different YouTube videos, then just copy the link and shorten it with the help of 7r6.com. Now moving on to the final step, I want you to go on to steamcommunity.com. Before anything else, are you a gamer? What kind of games do you often play? Let me know in the comments down below. So now this is a gaming website or a gaming platform where a lot of people discuss about different strategies to play different games. Right now on the Free Fire game, there are so many different discussions going on. As you can see here, a lot of people are talking about this game. This game is trending right now and they are getting million and million of views every single day. So this is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend with the help of 7r6.com and make a lot of money from all of these YouTube videos. Now, basically what you can do is that you can sign up for a free account on Steam Community and put up a post about Free Fire or any other trending games that you like and share your shortened link into this Steam Community through that post. And from there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks from a lot of people. They'll view your link, click on it and watch the video. And for every single click, you're going to be making money. And from just one video, you could be making hundreds and thousands of dollars. So for those of you guys who are still watching, I want to give you a special bonus tip that will help you to earn triple more money compared to other people. Now this is going to be a secret website that I have never shared with other people. But right now I want to share with you the secret is mood.us. Basically this is a special forum where you can find different people sharing about this game, Free Fire or Among Us, and there are a lot of people posting up different photos and different videos. Now basically they are getting hundreds and thousands of views from all of these videos about Among Us and Free Fire gameplays. And since you watched this video all the way until the end, I want to share this opportunity with you to make more money, especially if you focus on this category. When you copy the link of this kind of videos, which is live streaming videos, you could be making hundreds and thousands of clicks and you're going to be making a lot of money. right now. As part of the special bonus that I have promised you, I want to share with you this free copy and paste template that you can use in order to help you make a lot of more money. So you can just copy this template, you can share this on the Steam community or on mood.us forum as well. From there, you are going to be getting a lot of clicks on your shortened link and you are going to be making a lot of money. So this is just one example in which you are going to get a lot of clicks. On the other hand, this is how I structured this template. Have you guys checked out this amazing Free Fire gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch the live streaming video right here, and this is where you are going to put in your shortened link. So just go back to your 7R6 dashboard and copy this shortened link right here, and then go back to our template and paste the link right here. All you have to do is just copy this entire template and post them into the website. And you don't have to put in a lot of effort because these popular gaming videos are picking up a lot of trends and they are super popular right now, and especially if you find a good video on YouTube which is getting a lot of views, so you are also going to get a lot of clicks in your shortened links. That's exactly how lots of people are able to make so much money every single video they watch. So there we go. Now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link at the description below to discover how to make PayPal money online for just watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn $200 per hour, which anyone even without previous experience can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. So check it out, and thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification bell on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in some of the next videos.